Hi everyone. Language learning has always been about connection, culture, and communication. But let's be honest, it can also be repetitive, intimidating, and demotivating. That's where AI comes in. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use AI-powered tools to make your language classes more personalized, more motivating, and more effective, without spending hours planning. Let's get into it. Why AI in language learning? AI tools help us adapt lessons to students' needs in real time. They analyze performance, give instant feedback, and allow students to move at their own pace, all while keeping things interactive and fun. These are amongst the multiple benefits artificial intelligence can bring to your class: personalized practice, as it can change and adapt exercises and explanations in a whim. Adaptive feedback, it can analyze and react to the input from the students. Gamification and motivation, it will unleash the creativity of your students. Real-world language exposure, nowadays artificial intelligence content can be found anywhere, and it all comes from human-generated language. Time saving for teachers, it helps immensely with repetitive and time-consuming tasks. Let's look at what this actually looks like in practice. You probably know Duolingo, but it's evolved. The app uses AI to personalize which words and grammar structures each student sees next, based on how they're performing. What's great for classrooms is Duolingo for schools, where you can track student progress, assign lessons, and view data. Students get instant rewards, streaks, XP, badges, and the app adapts difficulty to keep them in the sweet spot between challenge and success. And you can use it in class as a warm-up for weekly XP competitions, or even assigning specific skills based on a theme studied in class. Next up, ChatGPT. It's not just for adults or writing emails. You can use it in conversation mode for simulated dialogues, pronunciation practice, or getting writing feedback. You can give the prompts for the students to use independently, or help them create their own, based on their specific needs. For younger or beginner learners, Read Along by Google is amazing. It uses voice recognition to listen to students read aloud, giving real-time feedback when they mispronounce or skip words. You can assign specific stories to practice vocabulary, or they can use them on their own and choose their favorite stories to make it more personalized and motivating. You can even track their progress and see what they need to work on. Here's the key. These tools work best when tied to real-life goals your students care about. Let me give you two quick examples. The first example, Mark wants to work in a restaurant. His goal: learn vocabulary for food, customer service, and small talk. You can mix the Duolingo units for food and shopping, and ChatGPT to pretend having conversations with customers. Then another tool like Elsa Speak to practice pronunciation of sentences like, "Would you like anything else?" Let's see a second example. Maria wants to pass her citizenship test and improve writing. Her goal: write and speak more confidently about her background and opinions. For that, we could resort again to Duolingo for vocabulary, a tool like Write and Improve, to get writing tasks and get feedback on them, and Read Along to practice reading out loud with someone listening. A few quick tips before you start. Start small, one app, one group of students. Set goals, like 10 minutes a day, or 1 skill per week. Use it to support, not replace, real teaching. Focus on motivation, let students track progress, earn rewards, or choose their own paths. AI won't replace you, but it can free you up to focus on what you do best: connecting, guiding, and inspiring. So whether you're teaching in person or online, with kids or adults, AI can help make learning smarter, more personalized, and way more motivating. Try it. Play with it, see what works for your students.